Hello there! Welcome to the ITGS show. Today we're going to talk about networks. Networks are really important in the society we live. Without them, you couldn't access internet, your favorite applications, and everything that needs to be connected. A network consists of two or more computers that are linked in order to share resources, exchange files, or allow electronic communication. The computer or a network may be linked through cables, telephone lines, radio waves, satellites, or infrared light beams. In this video, we're going to review all these kind of networks and other components. Computer network components are the minor part which are needed to install the software. Some important network components are NIC, switch, cable, hub, router, and modem. Let's talk about some of them. NIC stands for Network Interface Card. It's a hardware component used to connect a computer with another computer onto a network. A hub is a hardware device that divides the network connection among multiple devices. When a computer requests for some information from a network, it first sends the request to the hub through cable. Hub will broadcast this request to the entire network. A switch is a hardware device that connects multiple devices on a computer network. A switch contains more advanced features than hub. The switch contains the updated table that decides where the data is transmitted or not. Switch delivers the message to the correct destination based on the physical address presented in the incoming message. A switch does not broadcast the message to the entire network like the hub. A router is a hardware device which is used to connect the LAN with an internet connection. It is used to receive, analyze, and forward the incoming packet to another network. A modem is a hardware device that allows the computer to connect to the internet over the existing telephone line. All of these components have to be connected with something. Something is called cable. A cable is a transmission media used for transmitting a signal. Now let's talk about the architecture of the networks. Network architecture is the design of a computer network. It is a framework for the specification of a network physical component and their functionality, organization, and configuration, its operational principles and procedures, as well as communication protocols used. Peer-to-peer network is a network in which all the computers are linked together with equal privilege and responsibilities for processing the data. Client-server network is a network model designed for the end user called clients to access the resources such as songs, videos, etc. from a central computer known as server. Let's talk about the types of network. First of all, we have the personal area network, is PAN network. The smallest of the most basic type of network. PAN is made up from wireless modem and a computer or two phones, printers, tablets, etc. and revolves around one person in one building. The second, we have local area network, LAN network. We are confident that you heard of these types of network before. LANs are the most frequently discussed networks, one of the most common, one of the most original, and one of the simplest types of network. 3. Wireless local area network, WLAN. WLAN makes use of wireless network technology such as Wi-Fi, typically seen in the same type of application as LAN. Their types of networks don't require that device rely on physical cables to connect to the network. Campus area network, larger than LANs but smaller than metropolitan area networks. These types of networks are typically seen in universities, large K-12 school districts, and small businesses. Metropolitan area network. These types of networks are larger than LANs but smaller than WANs and incorporate elements from both types of network. MAN span an entire geographic area, wide area networks. Slightly more complex than a LAN. A WAN connects a computer together across a longer physical distance. Well, we have seen the different types of networks, so now we're going to talk about Internet. The Internet is the global system of interconnected computer networks that uses the Internet Protocol to communicate between networks and devices. It is a network of networks that consist of private, public, academic, business, and government networks of local to global scope, linked by a broad array of electronic, wireless, and optical networking technologies. Well, in conclusion, we can say that the Internet is one of the most important things in this contemporary society that we live in today. And because of the pandemic that we are surpassing now, I think that the internet has become very important to everyone, because if we couldn't have access to the internet, we wouldn't have access to work, and we wouldn't have access to attend classes and everything like that. So I think that that's the importance in the internet, because the internet came to change our lives drastically, and this connects us in a very special way, because without the internet our lives will be totally different as they are today. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. Goodbye.